Tá rudaige mór míortach le teach.
Lá Starúil Donchanga, August Fáistí Óga na Tíre. Cúla Cahar will be broadcast on television, online and on a dedicated app. Today's launch follows detailed research into viewing habits of the country's children and the manner in which they consume media in 2023.
We went out and we did a massive piece of research with kids all around the country and really started to understand them and learn about their habits, learn what they like to watch and learn where they like to watch.
At a colourful launch event in Connemara this afternoon, local children were excited at the prospect of new programming made for them and others learning or living with Irish.
Tá sé go maith an gastar beaga le brandú air shows is i gcuige agus tá sé go maith le fóm gcuige an sanga an tíar nach chuil.
Well, be ceann stáisiún ba just Cúla Cahar ó hain. Mar go siad ag seol an cáinealú go Cúla Cahar agus beidh tuile cartoon nuain.
The new station came on air at 4 o'clock this afternoon.
It's very clear that the future of Irish is in the hands of our young, so access, I think, is what's really key here, and I think it's a very important day for the Irish language.
The free-to-air channel will run each day from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m, featuring a range of both locally produced and internationally sourced programmes.
It gives the kind of status that we need if we are going to see the Irish language continue to thrive in Ireland. I think it's one of the most important things that TG4 has done for over 20 years.
Cúla Cahar is available on Saorview and all other channel providers, as well as on its new website, coolacahar.com. Pat McGrath, RTE News, Ballinahound, County Galway.